Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply textures for a ThreeJS in a ThreeJS app for your mesh. So let's get started. So firstly, I have created a simple app using Vite. So in case if you want to follow the same thing, you can just use this particular command to create a normal HTML, CSS and TypeScript project. Then this is the output. So as you can see, like there is one plane as well, so I am constantly rotating this, and here I have applied some textures to all of these meshes. So let's see how to do this. So first thing which you have to do, inside your package.json you have to install two dependency. First one is the 3 which is for ThreeJS, this one, and the second one is types3 which will help me in my JavaScript TypeScript code. Then inside index.html I have refactored it to firstly create one canvas which has an ID of canvas as well. The style position is fixed, top and left is 0 and outline is none. And here I have created one script like TypeScript file, and I am linking it with my HTML file. Then if you see the main.ts, so these are all the imports. If you want, you can just copy paste it. Then here I have created one canvas which is an HTML canvas element. I have created one texture loader. Also, if you see my public folder, I have added some textures. So if you see the door, inside the door I have added some texture of color.jpg. You can use any texture what you want, if you like, whatever you like. In case if you don't have a texture, you can just google it on and for textures, and you will find something appropriate. There are a large number of websites. Then here as you can see, I am loading my texture. Then I have created one scene. I have created one mesh basic material, and to apply texture to it you have to use the map property and pass your texture. Then I have created 3 mesh, one sphere, one plane and one torus. I have added them to the scene. Then I have created one sizes which takes the so that I can occupy the entire width and height. Then I have created one perspective camera, added it to our scene. I have created one orbit controls, then a WebGL renderer, and I have added this resize listener, so that every time the user resizes the window, our camera as well as renderer has been updated. Then on double click I just exit on enter full screen mode, and here I have created one clock. We get the elapsed time, and this will just help us to rotate or animate our sphere, plane and torus mesh. Then I just do controls.update, and then I just do renderer.render. I pass windows.request animation frame. I pass the tick method over here. So yeah, so the important part is this is how you can load a texture using texture loader, and just pass the path of your texture file. And then just to show it, you have to use the map property for your mesh basic material or whatever material you are using. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.